Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gears 5. First, let's cover the basics. Movement is crucial. Use cover to avoid enemy fire and reposition. Aim down sights for precision shots, and remember to actively reload your weapon. A perfectly timed active reload grants a damage boost and faster reloads, giving you a significant edge in combat. Practice these fundamental skills to build a strong foundation for your gameplay. Gears 5 offers a diverse arsenal. Shotguns are devastating up close, while rifles provide versatility at medium range. Always aim for headshots. They deal critical damage, often taking down enemies in 1 or 2 shots. Don't forget your melee attack for quick, close-range damage or to stun an advancing foe. Experiment with different weapons to find what suits your playstyle best and dominate the battlefield. Each character in Gears 5 possesses unique abilities that can turn the tide of battle. For instance, Kite can use her cloaking ability to sneak past enemies or reposition. Jack, your robotic companion, offers invaluable support. Collect components throughout the game to upgrade his skills, such as flashbangs or a stim ability. Deploy Jack's abilities strategically to control crowds, heal allies, or reveal enemy positions, enhancing your team's effectiveness. Gears 5 offers several exciting ways to play. Dive into the compelling campaign to experience the story and master core mechanics. For competitive action, jump into multiplayer modes like Versus, where 2 teams of 5 battle it out. Or, team up with friends in Horde mode to defend against 50 waves of enemies. Completing matches and objectives earns you experience, helping you unlock new characters, skins, and abilities.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.